Diba ka, college, di atawon.
Ala, grabe ko.
Minsan ka nalagay kayo.
Ay, hindi ba? Kalinante ba tas? Sa mga studios. And natin sila, tatare-tare tayo sa sila nante. Tariya pa pa, perfect. Tala baluno, di pa sa Love you si Madam AI. Mami, mira, nagki-documentary.
Documentary?
Napahit na letras. So, LSL, pinaka-studios ka namon. And LL, Chenebes, Maligo. Oo. Sila ka sa LL. Apra yung uno-uno ka ninyo. So, LSL, very, noy lang. Ay. Very studios. Oh. Bana taman sa LL, balila. Bala sa disubuli. Ay! Okay. Sabi kasi siya yung mga coquette. So, esto, opak. Ay, takanta pa sa LL niya. Kagasali na amon. Perfect. Walang si Pimi.
Example pa, dapat mo yan lang. Hindi daw si...
Hindi lang si Tala Damon Studios namin. One of the studios, student. Ay, friendship di amon. Kami best kami kasi kami second mother. Ay, elegant alas sa Damon. One fact about Carmela. One fact. One fact about Carmela. Ano sa LSL pinaka-American namon 20 sa L. Ay 19 pa lang sa
91.
Sa second Nabo.
First mother.
So takid amon
Damon terror teacher.
With high blood sa L pirmi ka namon. And anti-high blood sa L kumigo. Si Daisy LS man 18 niya si sila dos pala na March na klaben zoom god best.
Sorry best.
Pwede nanti pa ka mo. Wala si Bessie pak LS one fact about
Perita ka sa L.
LS si Mami Oni daw laki pak perfect say hi Tony Chan. Hello, si Bessie, Hoy! Mira, Nike,
Please, mantuloy lang.
Dok Yapi, So, hindi.
Di amon SL videographer, di amon kabar, LL pinaka-funny. Ito, hala. Wow, electric fan. Wow. Ay, wow. Di amon comedian. Sila dos, si Mandowo sila dos di Dibay na muri kami todo na risas. Ay,
Muri na consumption.
one fact about Maxine.
Fuckerit. Ay, noy lang.
No ay, amoy akel. Fill in the blank kel.
Baka,
Caliente. One fact about our pakerita kat de si Nobio.
makikita sila.
May man. Sila no.
So, I am the youngest.
Wow!
Kanya youngest. Fun fact about me is I am, may hente lang radyo.
Okay, one ask you combo, what do you want to take in college?
Sabi to, Venezuela. O basta ba, wag kasi po na, malagas
Ako sa try lang.
Wait, ako sabi na
Para in the future, man, video ulit.
Kakaya na, ate pa eskwela Okay. Todo eskwela, mami. Nasa high.
Nag-college.
Nusay pa yun, si Pasa pa yun.
Pasado, Kel.
Pasa.
Kabar ko sa basta mabasa kalya, sina Wimsu.
Punal maestra. Aki mo.
Kusa.
Next.
Nagkalibo ko sa iap lang. Okay.
Basta, pero naman, pura siya charger lang.
So, ano yung dream work mo?
May pag-advest. May
It's okay. You're still young.
Basta entry school lang mo lang set. No.
Ako yan, sir.
Kabarkal na,
Ay.
ano ba? School. Trade. Trade. Kada po niyo first choice people. Kaya hindi may choice.
Okay.
Ako lang sa first choice. Kabarkal na nakasa de amo na bandera.
First choice.
Na fisheries.
Best cow.
Na tourism or XL.
Okay, and abot na kumbo 3 minutes.
Ay, ang sina.
Oo. So, Shaim, kusabo kay sa Kana College.
Sa social work.
Megan, na-trade?
Nag-pass ka na ganito? Hindi yung first choice.
IT.
Ngayon lang ako mag-collect nito. IT kami todo.
Okay, that's right. What's your dream work?
Bakit ngayon lang kayo nag-pass?
Oh, same ta. Okay.
Ngayon lang kayo nag-pass? Richly Kate Alabate. Ay.
Mayan.
What's your dream course?
My dream course is Sinawimsu, Social Work, Kabarna Trade.
Okay, Kat. Ay. IT.
IT na to.
Sige. Sa ICT.
Naman ng atlas.
Yes.
tulog
Yes. Go. CPSL. Yes. Yakan sa SL.
Yes, woke up like this.
Okay.
What's your dream work? It's either kada yung business woman or
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, pwede yan.
Office.
Perfect. Erla po dito sa Saka, guys.
Era pa sa ta. Okay, next my interview. Divine, saan ka mo ko sa pregunta, Divine? Para sinta mo lang.
Nabibiyay.
One question, kasi diba dream course, na Wingsu or na trade or anywhere?
Actually,
Yung per dyan letter C, Ashley. Yung per de.
pag na-waves yun, sinisina. Sa kachon. Psychology.
Wow.
Psycho yun. Pag, na-adjo yun, ma-edit yun. Kasi I love kids.
Kapita sa kambo.
I love, child
Abuser mo, na pinapalaga mo.
Mga groomer po, girl. Education.
Sige.
I love teaching kids.
So your dream work is to become a teacher.
Yes, exactly.
Wow, exactly. Joyce, we have a few questions for you. This is for our research in Bachelor of Documentary. So the question is, wait lang. What do you want to take in college? In WIMSU or trade or anywhere?
I want to take psychology or social work and brand.
Wow, na trade? Na yung mga trade? Grabe mga katbo. Oh, kasi ate bo, dream work.
Dream work, nothing specific but just to live peacefully and safe.
Wow, work.
LSL, pinaka-perfect.
Wala ako specific work. Gusto ko lang mabuhay ng
Payapa, ganon.
and peace.
Okay.
And happiness.
Yes, okay. Let's pray for that.
And prosperity.
And what else? And what else? What else?
Nothing.
Silency.
Actually, I really want to become an artist.
Wow! Actually, what genre do you want to play?
Romance.
Romance? Okay.
I want a partner, couple.
Okay, here. Example. Ganja na. Then what's your favorite romance movie then?
Movie or series?
Movie or series?
Drama.
Nice.
My favorite one romance is 300 peso movie.
What's that?
The Butchop Second E.
Series, kid?
Okay lang, romance lang. Romance comedy anya.
Oh,
what's your favorite?
Why? Because
Wala pa
or
sa
no,
ano?
about it. Why? Never ask me about that. Why? Because my boyfriend is over there.
Why? Wow!
I support.
Consent.
I support my boyfriend.
We're over there.
In the Manila.
This is the mic. Don't take it.
So my boyfriend there is Robin Hood.
Robin.
We're actually married.
Marriage.
With D.
Yes. And also Benedict, Paul Benedict is my husband.
You have two hats, ma'am.
And the scenario is Yuri. Yuri no more.
Director.
The one who will be acting is Skipper and JJ only.
You are too loud.
I'm sorry for that. False information.
So the scenario,
Okay. Let's
the
go.
scenario is fighting.
All English.
The enemy is fighting me.
Who is the enemy?
Slave.
No, the
Device.
Excuse me.
One.
Can I ask?
No, go back to the main building.
Next step, this is the step.
No, go back to the main building, yo.
No, look at this one. Section E.
No, ina mo.
Oh my God.
Bakit ka nga dun sa yung building?
I can understand.
Fuck you. When I said go back to the main building, go back.
Okay, then JJ went to the main building. Then after that, I went to section C. Section C.
Inaraki.
Then I sat down. I said, and Rocky, approach me. And she said, where are you from? Can I see your application letter? Enrollment form? Application, I said. Sure. And I gave it to her. And she said, oh my God, this is not section E. You are in the wrong room. I said, what? What the heck?
Okay, next guys, we have here. Yay! The question is, what do you want to take in college, in WIMSU, in trade, or anywhere?
Don't have any plans.
Wah!
Why?
I want to study abroad. Abroad?
Abroad?
Yeah, abroad. Oh, you should be sis because broad is bro. Brother.
I will write.
Okay, so what's your dream work?
Kasi pinagawa.
Muria yung kinarisa. Ay,
Law?
yeah. Tayo rin.
No.
No.
Business joke.
Lolo.
Why no?
Bakery, eh.
Woman kaya kaya.
Why?
Okay, that's all. Is that
You will eat your
Yes, I will not sell it, but I will eat it.
Yes.
My own bakery.
Yes.
Oh, what the name? What's the name of the bakery?
Bukerat.
Wow. Okay, we have the next one.
What is the meaning of bukerat?
Ay, mapukirat ko. We have another. Hello.
Hello, miss.
Hello, miss.
Miss, look at miss.
Can we ask you what do you want to take in college?
I'm gonna take in college nursing.
And what else?
None other than.
Wow. Okay, so what's your dream work? Is it to become a nurse?
Become a nurse and have cosmetics like.
Wow. If you will be given an opportunity to make your own cosmetics, what would that brand be? Name.
I think
Tony Fortuna.
Tony Chan.
Tony Chan.
No.
Oh, the real.
Ash Cosmetics.
Wow! Nyede gayot.
Wala kang
Ash Cosmetics. Okay, we hope that will happen and also yours. You eat your own. Hello, may we ask you a few questions? Say yes.
Yes.
We want to ask you what you want to take in college.
I want to take something that I want.
What?
What?
Kasi Dok Yapi, oh.
Can you sit properly? It's very
This is properly. This is properly for me.
Say hi, Dok Yapi.
Hi.
Documentations eh.
Hi. Kebo.
Palebo.
Back to the question, what's
Estaro.
what do you want to take in college?
Oh. Wow. That's nice.
Unique.
The thing that I want to take college is the thing I want.
Oh, what nga?
First of all, before I would answer that question,
The essay
I would like to thank God because I believe that because of God, everything is possible.
What possible?
And secondly, I want to thank my parents because I believe that because of them
Mention
I'm
your girlfriend.
here.
And lastly?
I would like to thank my beautiful girlfriend. I want to thank all of you.
Yay! I love you. I love you.
Ano sa kana college na yung buyan answer.
Hello,
Na, ako saman.
information and technology.
IT.
Yeah, Bachelor in Science.
Okay, so
What's that? What's that information? What's that?
What's your dream work?
What's that?
What's your dream
What
work?
is that?
What's your dream work?
Dreamwork, it's the movie like Dreamwork.
No.
Moon?
Be careful with your. No.
What's your dream work?
Dreamwork?
Yeah.
I would like to be a diplomat.
Eh, kasakin.
Diplomat ba? Like, like, ambassador. Ambassador yun na mga company. Ambassador na
Ang ba the brief?
Ambassador
Zero.
na Philippines.
Wow! Nice!
Okay, do you see yourself being senator?
No.
What do you see yourself being? Answer.
Diwata.
Diwata ba?
Yung nga ko'y dabagin.
Ang mga bashers
Sa akin.
No.
Proceed.
Yes.
Ay guys, I forgot. I want to be USRN.
Nakabala po.
Stop it.
Mamaya.
And me also. I want to be people.
Diwata. Buwa ko'y tawag.
That's all guys.
Ang mga bashers.
Next question. Valeria.
Nanananan ang mga paresan.
Diwata pares.